What's going on, YouTube? We're back in the garage. It's Rylan here, and I'm excited today because I'm finally going to be able to get a review out on the stacked weight pin here from Bare Steel Equipment. If you're new to the channel, check out our links in the description box below. And again, what we do on the channel is basically just review all the equipment we bought for our gym. So we've got a ton of equipment to go through. It's gonna take a while this year, but we're gonna push out as many videos as we can. And yeah, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna go over the Bare Steel stacked pin, why you should buy one, what does it do, and which one to buy. All right. All right, welcome back. And today's video is on a new camera with a wireless mic. So let's see how this goes, because I don't know if this is working right, but I hope it is. So what I've got in my hand right here is a weight stacked adder pin from Bare Steel Equipment. And it is nicely machined piece. It is made out of Bare Steel, obviously, name of the company, and you can also get it in Cerakote finishes, among other different finishes, and there's lots of customization you can do with it. So, first of all, what is it? What do you do with it? And why do you need to buy one? So, what you'll find with a lot of machines, just like this one here, is they'll use a pulley system that will reduce your weight stack down. And the pulley systems vary depending on the machine and the company and obviously the brand and make, everything else. But if you find you have a machine that is a 2-to-1 pulley or 4-to-1 pulley, so for example, my Rep Fitness FT5000 is a 2-to-1 pulley system. So that means that the 220-pound stack is actually only about 120 pounds. Actually, 110 pounds. Yeah, sorry, my math screwed that one up. But it's half of what the listed stack weight is. So, and that's quite common. It's a common thing. Now, what this pin does is this is going to allow you to add plates to your weight stack. Now, this is a huge, huge benefit, especially for, like I was saying, the stacks that have a 4-to-1 ratio or a 2-to-1 ratio. You might have a 200-pound stack that you only can use actually 100 pounds of it. For most people doing lat pull downs and stuff, you're going to need more than 100 pounds. So this pin is awesome because what it does is allows you to increase that stack weight. So talking about increasing the stack weight how much can you add? So the Bare Steel stacked pins, the standard length of the actual 2-inch sleeve here is about 6 inches. So the max weight that they say from the website is 135 pounds. So what is that? That's basically 345 plates. Let's see if it'll do it. There it is. So 3 plates loaded up. Now, I'm not going to be able to lift this. I'm not even going to try to show you. To try to lift this with 3 plates on it. But I can play around with lighter weight, and I have been using it. Now, when I bought the stacked pin, I kind of made a mistake. And what my mistake is this Titan Lat Tower here has 300 pounds of weight on it. It's actually a 1-to-1 pulley, which is somewhat rare. So I've got 300 pounds at my disposal here on this machine. I really don't need to add weight to this machine. So what I should have done, instead of buying a pin for my lat pull down, is I should have bought it for my Rep Fitness machine. I didn't truly understand how this all worked when I ordered it. So I'm trying to give this information to you guys so that you understand more of what pin to buy and what machine it works best with. It works best with machines that have pulley ratios. So definitely look at the machines you have You pick the one that has the highest pulley ratio or the lowest weight stack, and then you want to get your power pin, or your, not your power pin, your stacked weight pin for that. One more thing, so when you're using you're adding your plates to your pin, one more thing to watch out for, and that they recommend, is make sure that you use your selector pin below where your plates are. So if you're going to put your adder there, put your plate on, make sure your selector pin is below. You don't want to use the pin itself as your weight selector. They just say it's better to do it this way so that you don't bend the 10 millimeter shaft on the pin. What's holding it on here is there's 6 magnets on the other side, and I'll show you. And it is no joke. It's 21 pounds, I believe, of magnetic pull that's holding this to the stack, and it's right on the end here. We'll see if will focus, but those are nicely machined magnets, and again, everything about the stacked pin is really well made. It's impressive, and that goes in there, boom, and it's on there. Trust me, it's not going anywhere. Now, what else can it do? It also adds 5 pounds. So if you're in between weights on your plates, this will give you 5-pound increments. So you can go 20, 25, 35, 45, etc. on this machine here. So that's another option. So not only does it add your overall weight and increase your machine ability, it's going to add 5-pound increments to between each plate. So that's a nice little option there. I have also seen it used in other ways. And another thing you can do with it is, this is a 5/8 hole, but give you an example. You can use it to store, say, your change plates, something like that. Done. It's really strong. The magnets work really well. So if you have holes on various parts of your machines, or your rack, your power rack, or whatever, and you want to use you can have one of these, use it to store, anything. You can use it to store your change plates, your collars, whatever. So it's handy to have that way. And again, it's not going anywhere. So that's a nice little option there. So we've covered the sleeve is 6 inches on the standard one. And what we haven't covered is the size of this selector shaft here. This is a 10 millimeter, and they also make a 8 millimeter, plus custom sizes are available if you want to get that. So on this Titan machine here, this was a 10 mil, and on my Rep Fitness FD5000, it would be a 8 mil. Now, again, when you're ordering these, contact them through their website, and you can ask them, tell them what machine you have, and they'll be able to help you out for making sure you get the right size. Now, it's important not only the diameter of this shaft, but also the length, because some of these plates are closed holes. The holes don't go all the way through. So you just want to measure and make sure that you get the right length. On this one here, it doesn't matter, because these go all the way through to the other side, and that sticks out about 1/2 inch on the other side of that plate stack. Another option that you can do is change the, get that guy there, is you can change the outer emblem here. They have a American flag version or a black version. You can also do custom engraving, and you can also do your own custom logo. And that's something that if I was to buy some more, I would probably add our custom logo to that, and that would look really nice. Now, leave that right there. If you're interested in, again, colors, they do make Cerakote options. That's something you can add on to it. So that covers the stacked weight pin from Bare Steel Equipment. And I have to say, if you have a machine that has, like I said, a 2-to-1, 4-to-1 pulley system, and you only have 100 pounds of weight to pull on your weight stack, definitely look at buying one of these. It's probably the cheapest way to add weight to your machine cost. So this one here cost me about $115. That's including shipping and taxes. and I got it obviously in the bare steel. If you want to add custom logo or you want to add Cerakote, that's going to obviously increase the price. But the pins range in around $100 and $115. Again, they have different type of pins, different sizes, lots of custom options. So look at what you're looking to get, and you know, the price will vary. But for, you know, just over $100 to add weight to your machine, I think it's well worth it. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Again, check out our links down in the description box. I'll put a link up for bare steel, and I've got a coupon code for $10 off your bare steel order, and that is using code MAC10. So definitely use that, and it helps out the channel, and we appreciate it. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We got lots more videos coming, and have a great day. We'll talk to you later.